How to fix too many background processes on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Firstly, reduce background processes using Task Manager. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager in Windows 10 or 11. In Task Manager windows, you can tap Process tab to see all running applications and processes INCL background processes in your computer. Here, you can check all Windows background processes and select any unwanted background processes and click End Task button to terminate them temporarily. Now, the second solution is strip down Windows startup process. Many system tray startup programs like antivirus software are listed under background processes in Task Manager. You can press Windows plus X key and choose Task Manager to open it. Tap Startup tab and select any system tray program you don't want to include in Windows Startup and click Disable to remove it from Windows Startup. Now, lastly, under Background Process in Task Manager window, you may find many third-party software services. If you right-click one service and click End Task button, it will temporarily disable it and the service will turn on again next time you restart your computer. Firstly, in Task Manager window, find the software service you want to disable under Process Expand and right-click the target service and choose Open Services. Then you can find and double click the service to open its properties dialog and select disabled option in the drop down list next to startup type. Then click apply button and click OK to apply the changes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.